In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sell Forex on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone trading account using the platform you prefer. This could be MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, or TradingView. Once you are inside the platform, go to the area where tradable instruments are listed. Depending on the platform, this may be called Market Watch, Watch List, or Symbols. From there, search for the Forex currency pair you want to trade. Once you find the pair, select it so you can open the trading options for that market. After selecting the currency pair, open the order window. On your platform, this may appear as New Order Trade or a direct buy and sell option next to the instrument. When the order window opens, choose the order type you want to use. You may be placing a market order if you want to enter the trade immediately, or another type of order if you want the trade to trigger at a specific price. After that, enter your trade size or volume. This is the amount you want to sell, so check it carefully before moving on. Next, if you want to manage your risk and target, set your stop loss and take profit levels. A stop loss helps limit potential losses if the market moves against your position. A take profit closes the trade automatically once your target price is reached. These settings are optional, but many traders use them as part of their trade management. Now take a moment to review the full order details. Make sure the selected currency pair is correct, confirm the order type, check the trade size, and verify any stop loss or take profit levels you entered. Once everything looks right, click Sell to place your Forex trade. After the trade has been submitted, your position will appear in the Open Trades or Positions section of the platform. From there, you can monitor how the trade is performing in real time, watch the price movement, track your profit or loss, and decide when you want to close the position. If your stop loss or take profit is reached, the platform may close the trade automatically. Otherwise, you can close it manually whenever you are ready. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.